Hello and welcome to ET Garage. Today's video is doing something with this bracket on this vet. Alright, like I was saying, I'm going to do something with the bracket on this, on my Corvette. It's the custom bracket I made that holds the fuel pressure regulator, the MAP sensor, and the coil. And I fabbed it up. It's not bad, but I just want to do a little bit more to it. And I can't really do anything else right now until my new another ECM comes in and another chip adapter. So I can't really do anything with the tune and getting this thing running on the road until then. So I figured I'll do that. And let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm going to do. All right, here's the bracket I was talking about. It's just a piece of aluminum. It doesn't weigh much, but I'm going to lighten it up a little bit anyway. And then there's this block of aluminum. I'm going to mill that down so it's flush with that. I'll probably put a couple of lightning holes, and then maybe I'll trim that off a little bit to match that angle. But that's about it. And then paint it black, so this way it matches the throttle body adapter. So I guess let me get to work on that. All right, there it is. A couple of lightning holes. Change the angle here. Milled a little bit off of this, so it should be flush with the top. And then I'm just going to have to go ahead and paint it black and let the paint dry. Okay, it's the next day. And I really wanted to finish this up yesterday, but because yesterday it was raining outside and it was damp and cool in here. So when I painted these pieces, hours later they still weren't dry, so I figured I'd just wait till the next day. And then I came out here this morning and they were still tacky, so I ended up putting them in the oven and then took them out of the oven and realized this piece here I missed the spot on. So it was still hot from the oven. I sprayed it and it dried. It looks like it dried right away. Normally this paint you can handle within an hour. And like on a 70-degree day with 50% humidity, you can usually handle this paint within an hour and assemble with no problem. But like this piece here just didn't want to dry. It was tacky. It doesn't seem tacky now. It's still warm from being in the oven, even though it's cool out here. It's starting to cool down. So I should be fine, I think. And actually I can see where I missed here a little bit too. So I might have to paint it again. Yeah, I think I might just have to paint that little bit. This, yeah, this looks dry. So yeah, it looks like I might have to put another coat of paint on. This is still warm, so hopefully it'll dry right away. Looks like I only have to paint this one side, so let me go ahead and do that, and then we'll get this back on and see how it looks. All right, there it is, all done, all back together. Now, I like the way it looks better than just bare aluminum. It's just a cosmetic thing. And the important thing is to get this thing running right. So let's get on to some other things, like the getting this running correctly. The ECM I ordered, that came in yesterday. That's it right here. I modified a memcal adapter with a zip socket, because the zip socket chip adapter that I ordered probably won't be in to the end of next week. So I'm hoping that will work. If not, either way, later today I'm going to try, and after I get this video edited and upload it, I will get back to work on this, see if I can get this sucker running right. If I can't, then I'm just going to have to wait for that chip adapter. In the meantime, in the future, I will be doing these Delron bushings on the front upper A-arms. I will go into that in another video, and hopefully I'll get this up running right away, and then I can jump right on these and get this thing aligned and set for the summer. So that's all I can do for now. I think earlier in the video, in the first part of this video, I had a smudge on my lens. I didn't notice it until I uploaded the video last night and edit that part of the video. So sorry about the smudge, but oh well. That's what happens when you work with greasy hands. And I guess that's it. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.